What's up everyone? We're gonna do a quick unboxing for you. I just got some new parts in for the C7. So let's grab a knife and see what's in the box. Let's go ahead and open up carefully. Appears to be packaged real nice with some foam up here. Any guesses? Let's remove the foam and look at that, you guys. Look at that. Any guesses yet? These are the factory Stage 2 winglets for the back of my Grand Sport. And so here is the Stage 1 winglet that comes standard on the Grand Sports, and then we will be replacing that with the taller Stage 2. Guys, look at that. Yes, that is gonna look awesome. So this is a factory GM piece that I ordered online, and I believe it comes with all of the hardware to install. Yep, here you go. So here's a bag of screws to replace the ones that are on the car. Now there's nothing really wrong with the ones that are on the car, so I don't think, but we'll put some nice fresh new hardware on, right? See that again. Let's see. Why isn't that? There you go. There you go. Just like that. Wow. That looks awesome. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get those installed. That's gonna look so good. There you go. Quick unboxing video for you. I can't wait to get these installed and make a full YouTube video on this one that I can share out to you guys. Now, I got more parts coming over the weekend, and I can't wait to show you those because, well, you guys are going to love it. So that's it. That's all I got for right now. Enjoy the rest of your day. See ya.